Finally, the long-awaited Twitter rivalry by Meta is here and is super insane. It's called Threads or Threads by Instagram, whichever one you want to call it. When Mark Zuckerberg announced that they are building this app, Elon Musk actually challenged him to a physical fight. And we are still waiting for the fight. And guess what? It's most definitely going to happen. And I can't wait to watch Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg fight for the true owner of the internet. But while we wait for their fight, why don't we go ahead and take advantage of the app? And that is why I'm making this video. So you're not just going to learn how to sign up on Threads, you're also going to learn how to grow your followers super fast and also how to make money on Thread. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To sign up on Threads is super easy. Calling it Threads, it's super weird, like Twitter Threads. All right, to sign up on Threads is super easy. If you have an Instagram account, it's more or less like an extension of your Instagram account. So if you have an Instagram account, you just clones your username, your bio, and everything, even your followers. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if you go to your Play Store or your App Store, you search for Threads. So you're going to see here with this icon, like an art, right? And it's called Threads and Instagram app. So you just click on install to install the app to your device. So once it's done installing, you click on open, and then here to sign up is going to pop up the Instagram account that you're logged into on that particular device. If you have multiple Instagram accounts and you don't want to use this one, you can click on switch accounts and then select the account that you want to log in with, and it's going to automatically sign you up with that particular information on that Instagram account. But I'm going to just go ahead and use 7-Figure Boss Academy, and it's going to take its time and read my followers, read my bio, and also read my profile name, my username, and all that, and then it's going to carry it over to Thread. So the next thing you're going to do here is to click on import from Instagram. So it's going to import your bio, it's going to import your name, and then it's going to import the link on your Instagram account. And once you do that, you click on continue, and then you click on continue again, and then it's going to show you the people that you're already following on Instagram. And all you have to do, if you want to, is to click on follow all if you want to follow everyone that you're following on Instagram. But if you don't want that, you can actually scroll and follow the people that you want to follow. So once you're done with that, you click next, and then you're going to see how Thread works, yada yada yada, and you read that if you want to, and then you click on join Threads. I'm still going to share with you how to grow your followers on Thread and how to use Thread to make money now that it's buzzing and now that a lot of people are jumping on the bandwagon, so you can take advantage of the whole buzz and make money for yourself using Threads by Meta or Threads by Instagram. So now I'm done signing up. So if I click here now, you can see my profile and it's looking amazing. It's looking just like my Instagram profile, right? Just like 7-Figure Boss Academy Instagram profile, and everything is just the same. And you can make any edits here. You can change your bio, but you can't change your name. You have to do that from your Instagram app, like I said earlier. Now, to get your followers from Instagram to Threads, all you have to do is to click on this notification icon here, and it's going to pop up all the people that currently sent you a friend request. So all you need to do is to click on confirm. Now, how this thing works is that part that it showed us to follow all. So when someone that is following you on Instagram signs up on the app and the person clicks on follow all, the person will also follow you as well. So whenever you sign up, you're going to see that request here, and then you can now go ahead and accept all the followers like this. So you just click on confirm, click on confirm, click on confirm. I have like tons and tons of them. I have lots of them. Now, if you want to grow your followers, if you want to increase your number of followers, so if you want to grow your followers super fast, all you need to do is to announce it on your Instagram page, because a lot of people don't even know that there is something like Threads. So when you announce it on your Instagram account, your followers will see it, and then they are going to sign up. And once they sign up, they automatically follow you, just like I've shown you here. So that is the simple hack that you can use to grow your Thread followers. I'm still going to share with you how you can use this app to make money for yourself. But before then, let me quickly show you around, and then we can get to that. So, you just take your time and confirm all this. I have quite a lot of them, so it's not something that, I can just start doing on screen right now. So I'm going to take my time and accept all those friend requests. But if I go to my profile right now, you can see that I have 36 followers already. So by the time I accept all these followers and announce on my Instagram page, my follower count will increase rapidly. rapidly. Now, one thing I love about this app is the fact that the reach is amazing. Like, you can post something now and millions of people are going to see it, and that is what you're going to leverage on and use it to make money for yourself. Like, if you come to the homepage now remember, I've not followed anyone yet. And if I come to my homepage, I'm going to see a lot of people that posted something. Now, these are people that I'm not following them yet. But I can see their posts. So this makes it very easy for you to use this app to make money for yourself. All you have to do is to brand yourself in a particular niche you want to focus on, and then go over to maybe ClickBank and find a product that you want to, promote the affiliate link, and then add the affiliate link to your Instagram account, and then it will automatically appear on the Thread account. And all you need to do is to start posting something within that particular niche. So you're going to be talking about the niche, you're going to be posting, you're going to be commenting, and because of the wider reach, you're possibly going to reach millions. So those people are going to in turn check your profile, and most of them are going to click on the link and of course are going to make a purchase. So once they make a purchase, you get your commission, and that is how you can start making money with this app. Apart from promoting your business and promoting other people's business, you can actually start affiliate marketing with this particular platform, Thread. So why I want you to jump on this and start using it to make money and also start growing on the app is because I feel that the reach will be reduced drastically in future, if not anytime soon, right? It's going to be reduced, and then they'll ask you to pay, just like we saw on Instagram, right? All of a sudden our reach started, getting affected. When we post, your followers don't get to see your post again, and then they ask you that you have to, use Instagram ads to show your post to your existing followers and other people as well. So I think the same thing is going to be happening on Thread, but it's not going to be happening anytime soon. So until then, why don't you milk the app, use it to make money, grow like crazy, and then whenever it happens, you know that, oh, you have made money, and then you must have gotten a lot of followers that will always give you a boost. So go ahead and sign up with Thread. And as you can see, it's just like Twitter. It has the like button, it has the comment button, it has the repost button, and then it has the share button. And when you click on the repost button, you're going to see repost, and then you're going to see quotes, right? Just as it is on Twitter. Now, I don't know how Elon Musk is going to take this, and I think if that fight is ever going to happen, Elon Musk is going to fight with so much anger. I can't wait to see that fight. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this on how to make money online and digital skills that will change your life. Now, here is the next video that Instagram. Here is the next video that YouTube requests. I'm so sorry. I'm super excited about this app and I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Now, here is the next video that YouTube Now, here is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel next. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.